Welcome back to Brain Tech channel. This YouTube channel are dedicated to all techs, tutorial and tech news, among others. Before I show you how to unlock the Tecno POP 2 Plus, if you are yet to subscribe to this wonderful channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, it will help you to stay updated with our new videos. To unlock your Tecno POP 2 Plus, what you have to do is, like as you can see, the device is on. All you have to do is to power off the device before you can unlock your Tecno POP 2 Plus. Power the device off. I'm waiting for the device to go off. The device has gone off. So what you have to do is to press your volume up. This is your volume up and the power button together for a few seconds. When you see the Tecno logo, you can release the two buttons so that it can take you to the reset menu. Press your volume up button and your power key together for a few seconds. The volume up key and the power button together for a few seconds. Let's go. Continue to hold it until you see the reset menu. This is the reset menu, but it is telling us no command. In the past, we have made a video on how to exit the no command menu while you are trying to hard reset your device. So browse on this channel, search this channel to uncover the video that will help you to remove your no command on any device. But I'll still show you how to exit the no command menu in this tutorial. So all you have to do is to press the power key for a few seconds and then tap your volume up key. Press the power key for a few seconds, then tap the volume up key to exit the no command menu. 1, 2, go. Press the power key for a few seconds, then tap the volume up key to exit the no command menu. As you can see, I have exited the no command menu, all thanks to the buttons I used, the combination of buttons I used, which was the volume up key and the power key. All I did was to press on the power key for a few seconds and then tap the volume up key. Then the no command menu exited and we landed here. So to hard reset your Tecno POP 2 Plus, all you have to do is take your volume down key to navigate to wipe data stroke factory reset. When you get to wipe data stroke factory reset, use your power button to select this place. Use your power key to select on wipe data stroke factory reset. As you can see, we are in the wipe data stroke factory reset menu. So the next thing you have to do is to click on to use your power down key to select yes. After then, press on your power key to start the hard resetting process. As you can see, I don't want to reset this device. That is why I don't want to take you through. But when you do this, in few seconds after pressing yes with your power button, the phone will start to hard reset. In less than 1 minute, it will finish hard resetting, and it will prompt you to fix the settings like when you bought the phone newly, and automatically your phone will be back to its new format, its new settings, the way you bought it. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section of this video. Like this video, share it to your friends. Browse our channel for other interesting videos. Drop a comment, and if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Do well to visit our channel every time to uncover new videos. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed for more interesting videos. Bye for now.